Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 344 different strategies, with 111 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 242 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,027 indicators, with 429 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy, 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so this strategy here only consists of one indicator, but I do feel like there's enough moving parts to the indicator that we can put this one under the strategy testing instead of just the indicator testing spreadsheet. And so the source video says HAMA Candles indicator strategy made 4,959% profit. And so we're going to put that to the test and follow the source video's rules on how to use this indicator and see if we really can get some really decent results from it. And so, as you guessed, the indicator we are testing is the NSDT HAMA Candles indicator. So it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this. And under the styles, go ahead and uncheck the bar color and the tables. Then jump into the inputs. You're going to uncheck the use gradient colors right here. Move down just a little bit there. And under the length open, you're going to change that to 21. The length close, change that to 16. The MA line length, change that to 22, and jump back up here under the length type right here, change this to WMA, and the second one, the length close, you're going to change that to WMA, and then the MA line length, you're going to change the MA type here to SMA. And then lastly, the MA source, go ahead and change that to close and click OK. Everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a short trade. So we are looking for when the HAMA Candles indicator gives us a red candle. And it's kind of hard to see, but right here you can see that the red candle appears right there. Sometimes the candles are really hard to see, and if you kind of scrunch in like that, you can see that it doesn't appear to be a candle right there, but this one definitely has a red candle. And then the HAMA Candles moving average line should also be red. That one just kind of goes hand in hand. Anytime it has red candles, the moving average line is also red. So I'm not really sure why the source video mentioned that, but nonetheless. And then what we're looking for is a red candle from the price action. Once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at the HAMA candle, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we stair step our way down, getting us to our take profit relatively quickly. And for a long trade, what we're looking for. So we're looking for when the HAMA Candles indicator gives us a green candle, like this one right here. Again, if I move this up, you can see the green candle right here. And the moving average is also green. Again, those two go hand in hand. And then we're looking for a green candle from price action. When all those line up, that's going to be the signal to then enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right here, stop right at the HAMA candle there, and target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And that one got us a really nice move straight up there, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So definitely not the best strategy, and definitely not getting us to 4,000% profit. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 34 trades altogether. We had 27 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $7,800. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we've been developing a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the results from that strategy on screen now. So some really decent results. If you are interested in viewing this strategy, you can click the link up in the video, up in the corner of the video now, and it'll take you to that video on the strategy. All right, that's it for this one here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.